Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We are ready for the second part now. On continuing, we now have a third stage, called Intel Pentium series. Pentium is a brand used for a series of x86 architecture-compatible microprocessors produced by Intel since 1993, before the MMX technology. Then the MMX technology of Intel has been developed in October 1996, complementing the same basic microarchitecture with the MMX instruction set, larger caches, and some other enhancements. Then the next generation Pentium processor has been developed, but MMX is still valid. The Pentium II brand refers to Intel's 6th generation microarchitecture P6 and x86 compatible microprocessors, introduced on May 7, 1997. In February 1999, generation of Pentium II has been promoted to Pentium III. The Pentium III brand refers to Intel's 32-bit x86 desktop and mobile microprocessors, based on the 6th generation P6 microarchitecture. Later, the Pentium IV was launched in 2000. Pentium IV is a brand by Intel for an entire series of single-core CPUs for desktops, laptops and entry-level servers. Pentium IV included mobile PC and hyper-threading or HT technology. Furthermore, after, the Pentium M is a family of mobile 32-bit single-core x86 microprocessors introduced in March 2003, and the Pentium D brand refers to two series of desktop dual-core 64-bit x86-64 microprocessors in 2005. Thus, this is the entire stage. Fourth stage, on the other hand, the Celeron series. Intel Celeron was first launched in April 15, 1998. Celeron processors are compatible with IA32 computer programs, but their performance is typically significantly lower when compared to similar CPUs of higher-priced Intel CPU brands. Then Celeron M processors were released in March 2003. Each higher model number will represent a higher clock speed. Intel released the Celeron 1.3 GHz with a 100 MHz bus and 256 KB of Level 2 cache. Celeron D processors, probably called Prescott 256, initially launched in June 25, 2004, featuring double the cache memory. So you now know the next two stages. Please stay tuned for the next part. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.